This is the Kind Customer Portal in 90 seconds. We provide you with a handy account link inside of our SDKs. Your customers can hop straight into the self-serve portal, manage their own profile information, the plan they're on, their payment details, and if you're using API keys, they can generate, revoke, and rotate API keys right here from the customer portal. If they're a member of an organization, you can also enable it so that they can modify their organization details, their team members, team member roles, the plan they're on, payment details, self-serve SSO, and if there's organization level API keys, then they get all the full management access there as well. Now, the really cool thing is, as a business owner, you're able to control what your customers see inside the self-serve portal. So if organization doesn't make sense, you can update it to be company or workspace or whatever makes sense. You can turn on and off different modules. If API keys isn't relevant for your business, turn it off. If you don't want everyone to be able to do self-serve SSO, turn that off. And you can then actually customize it at an organization level. So maybe you make enterprise SSO off for everybody, hop over to your organizations, jump into Neuron Forge AI. I can go through to the self-serve portal there and say, actually, I want to override these settings and enable these guys to have enterprise SSO because they're a really valuable customer, and you're then able to upsell that feature. Another layer of control that you get is with roles. So if you hop into roles, say on my admin role, a combination of whether a module is visible or all, combined with, say, whether one of your users is allowed to write billing or allowed to read the organization, you can get that real granular control over what your customers can and can't do within the portal. We'll deep dive into each of the areas within the customer portal in upcoming videos.